Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Salma Nabilah. I'm from Ikhlas. I will here convey what Sheikh Yashir Qodhi talked about. Speaking in Houston, Texas, from a family of Pakistani immigrants. When calling for 5 years, the family moved to move to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. There he managed to have a hadith until he later earned a master's degree in theology from the Islamic University of Medina. He returned to the United States and became one of the most popular preachers among the Al-Maghrib institutes who access for Salafi theology. During approximately 9 years of study in Saudi Arabia, Yashir Qodhi was clearly a prophet of the accepted ideology. He himself said 20 years ago, my conversion was still a teenager. I called myself a Salafi Muslim, but with happy he admitted there was a mistake on what was agreed as in the cause issued by Salafi by directly pouring the story of religion and phrasing it as the most correct. Nevertheless, it still said that in Salafi are various groups. The man who earned a doctorate about being rejected by Abi Taimiyah said was studied just because someone comes from the right group does not mean he will go to heaven. Likewise, someone who belongs to the wrong group can get a high place in heaven because the person does charity sincerely. All that is left in the true creed can fall into a low position because of free in the heart and the sin committed second. Yashir Qodhi believes that only by successfully starting theology can all sects and schools of Islam advance together. Islam, that's enshrined through the Quran and the Messenger of Allah, has never forgot a commitment supported by physical struggle. When talking about Shia Yashir Qodhi stated, I am a devout Sunni who study and talks about Sunni creed. I might not agree with the Shia creed, but I will never allow a Sunni to communicate with another set Marshal Abor up a Shia mosque and tomb. No matter how strong my faith is, I will be transferred to forge it to alter by using a stick and sword arm bomb. After learning from his mistakes, Yashir Qodhi said, these preachers scholars persons from all groups must understand the flesh listening language and which are equipped with controversial themes. It may be that lecturers do not agree with the hatred but generalizing followers and listeners can argue to take against them. Yashir Qodhi talked about his very endematory writing and lecture that continues him to his day. He said, I can still understand that at this time I was very young, around 20 years old. But that style can change the fact that I fixed the mistake. Islam free us to cooperate with from any school or groups, as long as deal with positive things such as truth and piety. Just because we work together with different groups in one area does mean we have to work together in all areas. Yashir Qodhi said, Whenever group and school of truth were conveyed, like a golden road that conveyed by Jesus and the Prophet Muhammad e.a. truth or torture. Yasir Qadhi has written many books and lectured on Islam and comparative Muslim issues. The New York Times Magazine's essay by Andrea Elliott regarded Qadhi as one of the most comparative, most difficult to understand in American Islam. When there is a book or writing that say like this then and that, then I can't be disturbed immediately without further processing. When someone quotes phrases from the Quran, take from any warrior jump, Muslim will be offended. Meanwhile, there are countless and ways to understand the phrase. We cannot state deep sentences with the level of his followers. Yasir Qadhi explained it. For him, a verse from the Quran called be mystified a book was written by scholars. The bookstore in front of the Holy Mosque display English book with texts and Sufis. Meanwhile, millions of Shia and Sufi followers come to Mecca to worship. Thus, the Saudi Arabian government really supports establishment alumnus of the Islamic University of Madinah at this question. The theology that speaks in Saudi Arabia is always anti-interpreting not just Shia and Sufis. They also have the Al-Sunnah belief. Sheikh Yusuf Al-Qaradawi made an stunning statement in contrast to other Middle Eastern countries. The revolution in Bahrain is a second revolution. Shia revolution against Sunni. Yusuf Al-Qaradawi who come out of a cave and then lived comfortable in Qatar. Said the revolution in Tunisia. Egypt was a revolution against unjust government, while Bahrain was a Taifiyah secular revolution. A time of discussion, someone come the Prophet, asking for advice. The Prophet only said to us, "Do not be angry," and he repeated it 3 times. The Prophet not advising the person with complicated theology. Artificial atheist honor is it matter of deep jurisprudence. He only advises about the morals according to his. Religion is muamalah, interaction between human. H.R. Al-Hakim. Without moral human relation will not develop properly. This box is excerpted from the lecture of Yasir Qadhi. an American figure who was quite successful in presenting the face of Islamic moral in Uncle. Some country about Yasir Qadhi. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.